Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Okay, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakihit na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga panibagong videos na i-upload ko. Okay, by the way, if you are a mathematics contestant, okay, a math coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, then this tutorial is for you. Okay, without further ado, let's begin. We are now on problem number 18, okay, function problem number 4. Okay, this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad, and we only repurpose the function values that we need to find. Okay, but the problem is this one. Okay, let f be a real valued function such that f of x minus f of y equals f of x minus x times f of y for any real numbers x and y. If f of 0 equals 3, then we are tasked to determine f of 2024 minus f of 2021. So the original is f of 2016 minus f of 2013. Okay, so we're going to solve this one in a very systematic and easy manner. So here's our solution. Okay, since we are only given this one, and this recursive function, so we need to assume, so suppose we let y is equal to 0, so that we can substitute here f of 0 equals 3. Okay, then we now have f of x minus f of 0 is equal to f of x minus x times f of 0. Okay, but as I said, we are going to substitute in the value of f of 0, which is equal to 3. So we now have, okay, this follows that f of x minus, so this is 3, x minus 3 equals f of x minus x times f of 0 is equal to 3. Okay, then simplifying this, we have f of x minus 3 is equal to f of x minus 3x. X times 3 is equal to 3x. Then, by applying addition property of equality and subtraction property of equality, this follows that we have 3x is equal to f of x minus f of x minus 3. And by symmetric property of equality, this follows that we have a f of x minus f of x minus 3 is equal to 3x. Okay, now, when x is equal to 20, 24, so we have f of 20, 24 minus f of 20, 24 minus 3 is equal to 3 times 20, 24. Okay, so we have now f of 20, 24 minus, so 20, 24 minus 3, so we have f of 20, 21 is equal to, so 3 times 20, 24, so we're going to have the regular multiplication process, so we have 20, 24 times 3, so we have now 3 times 4, so we have 12, carry 1. 3 times 2, we have 6 plus 1, we have 7. Then 3 times 0, so we have 0. Then 3 times 2, we have 6. So it means we now have 6,072. So therefore, the expression that we want to look for is equal to 6,072. And I think it's a good place to start.